take a look at what I'm dealing with this reclaimed pine. It's just every board is warped and bent and bowed. So after I lay all these planks into that glue bed, these ratchet straps are going to pull all this tight. Alright, so you can see here, this is not strapped up yet. But down here I already strapped it all together with these guys. So now you can see it just pulls it so tight. I have to really wrench on these ratchet straps to get it to go that tight. But yep, that's it. I got it all strapped together. Now I'm just gonna take a few minutes to close up all these butt seams. Voila, there you have it. Floor is strapped together. Heavy weights on it while the adhesive cures out.